In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva and Typeform in no time. Whether you want to display a Typeform within your Canva project or automate the process of generating Canva designs based on Typeform responses, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First up, let's embed a Typeform into your Canva design. This can be especially useful if you're working on a website, portfolio, or presentation and you want your audience to engage directly with your Typeform. Begin by heading over to your Typeform account and selecting the form you want to use. Once you've opened your form, look for the Share button and give it a click. There, you'll find the public or embed link. Simply copy this link as we'll need it shortly. With your Typeform link ready, go over to Canva. Open the specific design where you'd like to embed the form, whether it's a website, presentation, or any other project. Over on the left toolbar in Canva, click on Apps and use the search feature to find Embed. Click on Embed, and when prompted, paste your Typeform link. Once you've done that, you can customize how the Typeform appears by resizing and positioning it just the way you like. After embedding, when you publish your Canva design, let's say as a website, your users will have the ability to fill out the Typeform directly within it, seamlessly merging your design with interactive content. Now, if you're looking for some automation magic where Typeform responses generate Canva designs automatically, we'll need the help of Zapier. This is particularly handy for producing items like certificates, posters, or social graphics based on user responses. First, log into your Zapier account. On the dashboard, locate and click on Create Zap. Now onto the Trigger app. Set this to Typeform with the event set to New Entry. This means every new response in Typeform will kickstart this automation. Next, move over to setting up the Action app. Select Canva and set the event to Create Design from Template. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to integrate your form responses into a Canva template you've prepared. Connect your Canva account to Zapier. This allows the apps to communicate. Then, map your Typeform answers to your Canva template fields. For instance, if your template is a certificate, you might map a user's name from Typeform to the name field in Canva. Finally, be sure to test your Zap to ensure everything works smoothly, and then you can turn it on for good. With this automation, each new form entry translates into a unique Canva design, saving you time and effort. And there you have it, 2 effective ways to couple the creative prowess of Canva with the interactivity of Typeform. Give these methods a go and see how they can enhance your productivity and user engagement.